The analog bandwidth of the oscilloscope is the highest frequency at which the indicator can accurately measure the signal. It reflects the oscilloscope's ability to respond to signals of different frequencies. When the signal frequency exceeds the analog bandwidth of the oscilloscope may experience distortion, resulting in inaccurate measurement data. The bandwidth of this oscilloscope is 100 MHz. Connect the Fluke 5500 output to the CH1 channel of the oscilloscope and set the input impedance of the oscilloscope to 50 ohms. The Fluke 5500 outputs a sine wave with an amplitude of 3V and a frequency of 100 MHz. Press the Miss button. Select Add Measurement. Add amplitude measurement parameters, and the number of amplitude values measured is 3.1V. The amplitude of the output sinusoidal wave after 70.7% attenuation is calculated, and 2.1V can be obtained. Compared with the actual measured amplitude, the actual measured value is greater than 2.1V. So the bandwidth of this oscilloscope meets the standard.